Density is a measure of how much matter or mass is packed into a given space or volume. Here we can see that this clay and this wood have similar volumes. First, the wood. It's 0.040 kilograms. Here the clay weighs 0.090 kilograms. So this has more density. Pascal's principle is when a pressure change applied to an enclosed resting fluid is transmitted equally and undiminished to every portion of the fluid and the walls of its container. Here we can see how every current of water is the same. The Archimedes principle states that any object placed in a fluid, liquid or gas is pushed upward by a force. Here we will see how a ping pong ball submerged in the water will be pushed forward.
Surface tension. Surface tension is the force that makes the surface of a liquid more flexible. It happens because the molecules of the liquid attract each other. Here we have a clip, a paper clip, inside a water cup, and we are going to add some liquid soap into the clip, making the clip sink and all the way into the bottom. Capillarity. Capillarity is the ability of a liquid to move through very small spaces, sometimes moving against gravity. It happens because of the adhesion and surface tension. Here we're gonna prove it by making the water from the brown cup mix with the water on the from the clean water using a paper towel. Adhesion is when two different molecules stick together.
Cohesion in physics is the attractive force between identical molecules of a single substance as a high in solids, moderate in liquids, and non-existent in gases. Here we can see how water molecules come together. Volume flow rate is the amount of fluid volume that passes through a specific area in a set amount of time. Here we can see how water passes through a tube.
These principles state that the speed of a moving fluid increases while its pressure decreases. So when you blow through the straw, the fast-moving air creates low pressure under the ball, keeping it floating. Water pressure increases with depth due to the weight of the liquid above, making water at the bottom shot out of the fastest. Under Torricelli's law, this exit speed equal to the speed the water will reach if dropped freely from the surface to the whole level.